Hey everyone! I've got something truly exciting to share with you today. If you're looking to boost your health and energy levels, then you need to know about MCT oil. Trust me, this superfood is something you don't want to miss out on. So, what exactly is MCT oil? MCT stands for medium-chain triglycerides, which are fats that are more easily digested by our bodies compared to long-chain fats found in most foods. This means you get a quick source of energy, without the lag. Imagine feeling more energetic throughout the day with just a simple addition to your diet. MCT oil is like the Swiss Army knife of health benefits. First off, it has antimicrobial properties. The fatty acids in MCTs can combat harmful bacteria and microbes. That means it could help reduce conditions like thrush and even skin infections caused by Candida albicans. Pretty cool, right? And it doesn't stop there. Studies have shown that MCT oil can aid in weight loss or help you maintain a healthy weight. It can also protect your heart, improve your energy levels, and even enhance your mood. Yes, you heard that right. This oil is like a mood booster in a bottle. But let's not forget about our brain and digestive health. MCT oil has been linked to improved brain function and can help treat digestive diseases. For those of you with digestive issues, this could be a game changer. Now, before you rush out and buy a bottle, there are a couple of important things to keep in mind. Start slow. Introduce MCT oil gradually to allow your digestive system to adjust. Begin with a half tablespoon and slowly increase to a maximum of 3 tablespoons per day. Also, be calorie aware. Each tablespoon of MCT oil contains about 100 calories. So, make sure to balance your diet accordingly to enjoy all the benefits without offsetting your calorie intake. Incorporating MCT oil into your diet can be a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle. With its unique properties and scientifically backed benefits, it's no wonder MCT oil is being hailed as a superfood. So, what are you waiting for? Give MCT oil a try and see the amazing benefits for yourself. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and insights. Thanks for watching.